Mars. The name itself brings to mind a red world, a mysterious neighbor in our solar system. This rusty planet has fascinated humans for thousands of years. Its red color, caused by iron oxide, makes it stand out. Mars has huge volcanoes like Olympus Mons and vast canyons like Valles Marineris. It represents a new frontier and a reflection of humanity's desire to explore space. Each new discovery helps us understand more about this mysterious planet. Could humans one day walk on Mars, creating a new home among the stars? As we explore Mars, we embark on a journey of discovery. Mars has a thin atmosphere, composed mostly of carbon dioxide with traces of nitrogen and argon. The planet also has polar ice caps made of water and dry ice, which change with the seasons. Surface temperatures on Mars can vary dramatically, from a warm 70 degrees Fahrenheit to a frigid -195 degrees. Mars is also known for its massive dust storms, which can cover the entire planet and last for months. Evidence of ancient river valleys suggests that liquid water once flowed on Mars, hinting at the possibility of past life. The potential for future colonization of Mars is a topic of great interest, with scientists and engineers working on ways to make it a reality. Rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance continue to explore the Martian surface, sending back valuable data. Mars has two small moons, Phobos and Deimos, which are thought to be captured asteroids. Unlike Earth, Mars lacks a global magnetic field, but remnants of magnetism in its crust suggest it once had one. The dream of human exploration of Mars drives us to push the boundaries of science and technology. Studying Mars helps us understand the history and evolution of our solar system. The planet's geological features, from its towering volcanoes to its deep canyons, tell a story of a dynamic past. Mars holds the potential for countless scientific discoveries, waiting to be uncovered by future missions. Mars has always held a special place in human imagination, inspiring countless works of fiction and dreams of exploration. Future missions to Mars will continue to unravel its mysteries, bringing us closer to understanding this enigmatic world. Mars is not just a destination, it's a symbol of our quest to explore the unknown and expand our horizons. The pursuit of Mars has driven advancements in science and technology, benefiting humanity in countless ways. The search for life on Mars remains one of the most compelling aspects of our exploration efforts. Mars will continue to inspire future generations to dream big and reach for the stars. Despite all we have learned, Mars still holds many secrets, waiting to be discovered by the explorers of tomorrow. Long before telescopes, our ancestors gazed upon Mars with awe and trepidation. The red planet, visible to the naked eye, was a source of fascination and mystery. This fiery red star held a prominent place in ancient mythology and cosmology. Its distinct color and erratic movements made it a subject of many legends and stories. Its erratic movements were linked to war, chaos, and divine wrath. Ancient civilizations often interpreted these movements as omens or messages from the gods. The Egyptians called Mars Horus, the Red, associating it with war and kingship. They believed that the planet's movements could influence the outcomes of battles and the fate of their leaders. They tracked its movements meticulously, believing they influenced earthly events. Their observations were recorded in detailed star charts and astronomical texts. Babylonians identified Mars with Nergal, their deity of death and plague. Nergal's association with Mars reflected the planet's ominous reputation in their culture. In Roman mythology, Mars was the god of war, linked to bloodshed and conflict. The Romans named the planet after their god, reflecting its fiery appearance and turbulent nature. These ancient beliefs highlight our curiosity about the cosmos. Mars was not just a celestial body, it was a symbol of power, conflict, and the unknown. Mars continues to inspire wonder and ignite our imaginations. From ancient myths to modern science, the red planet remains a powerful symbol in human culture. The Greeks also had their own interpretation, naming Mars after Ares, the god of war. They observed its movements and incorporated it into their rich tapestry of mythology. In ancient China, Mars was known as the fire star and was associated with the element of fire. Chinese astronomers meticulously recorded its movements and integrated it into their astrological systems. During the medieval period in Europe, Mars continued to be a subject of fascination. Astronomers and scholars studied its movements, contributing to the growing body of knowledge about the cosmos. Today, Mars is a central figure in science fiction and space exploration. Its enduring presence in our culture is a testament to its powerful impact on the human imagination. For centuries, Mars remained an enigma, its true nature obscured by distance. Early astronomers could only speculate about its surface features and atmospheric conditions. Space missions and advanced telescopes have unveiled a planet rich in history and complexity. Mars is a planet of stark contrast, with a thin atmosphere and frigid temperatures. The Martian atmosphere, composed primarily of carbon dioxide, is over 100 times thinner than Earth's. This thin atmosphere means extreme temperature variations and little protection from space weather. Evidence suggests that liquid water may exist beneath the surface, crucial for future human colonies. The surface of Mars is marked by volcanic activity and impacts, creating a dynamic landscape. Gigantic volcanoes like Olympus Mons, the largest mountain in the solar system, dwarf Earth's peaks. Valles Marineris, a system of canyons, speaks to the immense tectonic forces that once shaped Mars. The presence of polar ice caps is a key to understanding the planet's climate history. These caps grow and shrink with the Martian seasons, providing insights into weather patterns. The presence of water ice fuels speculation about the possibility of past or present life on Mars. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding the red planet's secrets and our place in the cosmos. The Curiosity rover has been instrumental in analyzing the Martian soil and atmosphere, providing invaluable data. By drilling into the surface, Curiosity has uncovered complex organic molecules, hinting at the planet's potential to support life. The InSight lander has delved into the planet's interior, measuring seismic activity and heat flow. These measurements have revealed that Mars is still geologically active, with quakes and volcanic activity. Advanced simulations of the Martian atmosphere have shown how dust storms can engulf the entire planet. These dust storms can last for months, significantly impacting the planet's climate and surface conditions. Ancient riverbeds and lake beds suggest that Mars once had a much warmer and wetter climate. These features indicate that liquid water flowed on the surface, potentially creating habitable environments. Meteorites from Mars found on Earth have provided clues about the planet's composition and history. Analysis of these meteorites has revealed the presence of water and organic compounds, further supporting the possibility of life. As we continue to explore Mars, the dream of establishing human colonies becomes more tangible. Simulations and experiments on Earth are preparing us for the challenges of living on Mars. Future missions aim to send humans to Mars, paving the way for a new era of exploration and discovery. Each step forward brings us closer to unraveling the mysteries of the red planet and understanding our place in the universe. Section 4. Robotic Pioneers, Unveiling Martian Mysteries. The quest to unravel Mars's secrets began with the space age. Humanity sent robotic emissaries to explore the red planet up close. NASA's Mariner program in the 60s took the first steps. Mariner 4 in 1965 revealed a cratered world. The Viking program in the 70s landed spacecraft on Mars. Viking landers analyzed soil and sent back stunning images. Orbiters, landers, and rovers have since followed. These missions map the surface and study the atmosphere. In the 90s, Mars Pathfinder and its rover Sojourner captured the world's imagination. The twin rovers, Spirit and Opportunity, landed in 2004, uncovering signs of past water activity. Curiosity, landing in 2012, continues to analyze Martian rocks and soil. The InSight lander, arriving in 2018, studies Mars' interior, revealing seismic activity. Perseverance, the latest rover, collects samples for future return missions. Helicopters like Ingenuity pave the way for future aerial exploration. As we look ahead, human missions to Mars are on the horizon, promising to unlock even more mysteries of the red planet. Section 5. Rovers on the red planet: Curiosity, Perseverance, and the Search for Life. Among the most successful Mars missions are those involving rovers, robotic explorers designed to traverse the Martian surface and conduct scientific investigations. These wheeled laboratories offer clues about Mars's potential to harbor life by analyzing soil samples and rock formations. Curiosity, exploring Gale Crater since 2012, seeks to determine if Mars could have supported microbial life. Perseverance, exploring Jezero Crater since 2021, aims to find signs of ancient life and collect samples for return to Earth. It also tests technologies for future human missions, like producing oxygen from the Martian atmosphere. These rovers revolutionize our understanding of Mars, bringing us closer to answering, are we alone in the universe?